Oh, you trapped the int? Hold on. Where is this thing? I know. Dude, I don't remember how to do it in what's it called? I just messaged Adam to remove the. Let's see. I just messaged Adam. Good. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Dax. I hate confirm closing. Okay, just let me make my own mistakes and let me live my own life. Okay, bitch, get off. You're not the government. You're not my mom. You're not my dad. I don't know you. Okay, so this alternate screen obviously is something I want. I'm not saying it's good, but it is just something I want. Environment variable, very easy to set, by the way, because that'd be just super easy to do. So that's a thing. And so let's go back here. Let's go back to this guy. Let's go. Actually, no. I don't even use the alt screen. I'm just using this, and it just works. Okay, let's do that. So that means if I go back to Daydream and I go to open code, go to here, jump to here, jump up to this one, erase those. Oopsies. Go to that. Go like that. That should just also work, right? Okay. I wonder what that is. Okay, there we go. I wonder what that pause is, because it doesn't seem like that pause exists when I go open code. Like, look out. That seems lickety split. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, just die screen. Wait, is this a DAX product? It is. So something has clear. Something has clearly gone wrong there. Okay, so we are definitely closer for sure. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna be right back, but I think all we need to do now is hook up the new program to the client server, and I can at least get client server, but let's first pass the keys I'm pressing through. Can we agree? All right. Did you build the bun in, let's see, hold on. Do you need bun in a Go TUI app? Yes. Dude, I don't know what Dax is doing with the bun TUI app, but what he's done is crazy. But it works. So. All right, so now let's see if we can pass keys through, okay? All right, so now that we're here, right? Am I right, boys? Go funk yo mama. Bring that back up, do one of these, and now I need to, let's go like this. I'm gonna go 4, and let's go like this. Let's just first, before I go off and build this whole dumb thing, let's just send the key, time, sleep, 1 second. Can we all agree? Let's not be an idiot and program like the universe and then be like, it didn't work, I'm an idiot, right? You know, we don't want to be that guy. Okay. So it's gonna do this thing a couple times. All right, good. That feels good. That feels good. That feels real good. Okay, so nice. So that means I'm able to send keys in, right? Dude, Dax linking my own post. Oh yeah, that's fucked up. Yeah, dude. What the, dude? What is this? Why would you? Why would you create this? To be fair, Bun created this, and so now when Dax says something, I like to respond to him with this. Right? It doesn't really matter what it is. You can just copy the image, And okay, everybody should do this from here on out for Dax. Every time he tweets, it doesn't matter what it is about. Let's see, every technical debate here is like, I think X is good. I think this is good. So what you do is you just post that. And that's it. Post it. You can also like his tweet. That's a good move also to like Dax's tweet. Also follow him and then subscribe to him. I'm not going to subscribe to him, but you get the idea. Thank you very much, French Monkey and Callback Daddy. Let's go. Let's go. Brigading Dax is dirty. We're not brigading Dax. This is not a brigade. This is fun, okay? Look at that. I only see one of them, which is unfortunate. Oh, I thought Mongo responded to you. All right. Well, everybody, at least I want this to ratio Dax. This is the solution. Okay. Dax. Oh, dang it. Dax is playing into the... Dax is allowing himself to be the meme. By the way, that's the secret to life, is allow yourself to be the meme. Dossing a Dax's tweet. Yes, exactly. That is foul. It sure is, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so this works. But when I type, you'll notice it still puts something on the screen. So we need to stop that from happening, okay? So this is really important. So now that we have that, we also have to have the outer program disallow typing or capturing the type. So let's try to do that. Let's go into here and let's go like this. Func handle input, and we're just gonna go like that, and we're gonna put this bad boy in here, and we're gonna go like this. Go handle input. Hey, go handle some input, loser. Yep, do a little select. Go PRG program. Do one of those. Okay, so perfect. We're gonna go handle some input. I'm gonna go, girl. I'm gonna handle that input. I also realized I do need the exact size of my terminal. What is happening? Dude, this better play. Oh, I forgot to do this. Okay.
What is happening?
Oh my gosh, sorry.
Oh, hey everyone. Love you all. Take care, everyone.
Why was that so loud? Oh my gosh. Everyone's ears just exploded simultaneously.
Is happening. Oh, hey everyone. Love you all. Take care, everyone.
I'm sorry, French Sardo, you ruined my life.
Hurt my ears. I have died. Thanks for that.
Yeah, thanks, brother. Now we're all dead of ligma. Okay, we're all literally dead from ligmaing.
That hurt my ears. I have died. Thanks for that.
Dan, I just want to let you know that we are trying to make you get down to the tower, buddy.
Prime, I am sending you my ear surgery bill.
Yes, I will. I'm sorry. Beastco, you are right, Beastco. Thank you, Beastco. Also, hi. What's Ligma? Ligma who? Anyways, thank you very much for the hype train. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. That was very nice of you. Thank you. El Kiro, thank you for the tier 1 reawakened games. Love you very much. Appreciate that. Toxic. Also appreciate that. Let's go. Thank you for all the follows. Thank you everything. All right, so let's try to figure out how to handle the input, if you know what I'm talking about, girl, more appropriately. And then second, let's also actually do what Grok suggested and grab out the size. You know what I mean? We should get terminal size. This is actually a good move. Term.get size standard out, right? Like this is actually a good move right here. You know what I mean? I should be doing that. Right? I should be doing that. All right, so let's go into here. Let's jump into this little program right here, and let's do on a. Let's not do with size. With size does not exist. So I'm just gonna pretend like that doesn't exist. Shh! Don't tell anybody. A new program. Where's new? New program. There we go. I'm gonna do that. This should have term. Yeah. Wow, that's on 5 this time. Cool. That's what I wanted. Cool. Yeah. Wow. Cool.
Ligma is life-threatening inability to Google meme acronyms.
True. Slog dot failed to get terminal size. I'm actually gonna go like this. I'm gonna go OS exit 1. If I can't get terminal size, we're just not proceeding with the program. You know what I mean? It'd be kind of stupid of us to do that. All right, so we're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna go like this. What do we call the thing? A.row. A.calls. There we go. All right. So if I've done that one correct, I should now do this. which should now properly, because that's what was causing the one big problem was that I didn't have a size. Okay, so you can see size is off. Size is, brothers, size is way off. Let's go like this. Let's just do this thing and go. Let's see what happens. And then let's go like this. Let's go os.exit 1. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, wait, that was right. Wait, what's your deal? What's your deal? What's your deal? Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? That was correct. Oh, crap, I got the things backwards. That's what went wrong, everybody. I'm an idiot. Rows are height. Columns are width. Everybody, I am the bad guy. I am the killer. I'm the one who has murdered everybody. All right, no, you're supposed to put in A.rows. You're supposed to put in A.columns, okay? I am the bad guy. I am, in fact, the murderer. Okay, I am the murderer. Okay, good. So let's go like that, and let's go like this. I'm gonna add 2 more. Let's go. Okay, that was good. Dude, guys, did I just do an Antonio Banderas relaxing breathe? I was like, I feel like I just did it. Okay, thank you very much, by the way, for the 9 subs, for those delicious biddies. Thank you, Code Girl, for the 3 hearts. Thank you, Niles Music. Appreciate the Twitch Prime. Let's go. Thank you, and Thermos. Thank you for the follow. Always appreciate all the things. Open code. Bap, bap, bap. There we go. So now everything looks nice. Okay, so we have the program. So now let's jump. Let's take these 2 and let's go like this. Ba-da-da-bap. All right, so we have the handle input. So now when I type, I do not want it to show up. My guess is that I'm gonna have to do something like echo off is my assumption, right? Because echo off takes in a file and does a bunch of stuff to it. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna just take this bad boy and I'm gonna go like this. We're gonna make it public. We're gonna make it public, okay? I'm gonna go like this. Program.echo-off os.standardin. Okay, I know this is dangerous. Okay, there's a lot of, the word term appears way too many times. Okay, read input, there we go. All right, so now let's read some input. I'm gonna go like this. And we're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna take this thing, and let's just see what I've done. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's first take off that. We'll get there. Let's make sure that this all works. All right, there you go. Old state. Make the terminal restore the state on leaving. We're gonna do this one. We're gonna have a con write. We're not gonna do any sort of con write. Instead, we're gonna go like this. Program send key. We're gonna just send the key one at a time. And when we do this OS exit, I'm gonna first. I gotta figure out how to. We're gonna figure out something better because that's where I assume where a lot of my problems are coming from is I'm not restoring the terminal correctly. But I'm using this many terminals at once? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark? Is this light theme? Dax, you didn't think this. I'm pretty sure your colors are bad because of T-Max settings. No, because I also is he married so he doesn't need skills? Correct. That's right. Never needed skills. By the way, one should write AI tools in Python. That's pretty funny. All right. All right. Let's see. Running simultaneously, either spawn program creates its own petty pseudo terminal or raw mode settings, but they're all trying to handle the terminal I/O at the same time. The coloring gets messed up because multiple pseudo terminals are writing to standard out concurrently. Each has different terminal state and settings. Raw mode versus normal and escape sequences from different processes interfere with each other. I killed the duplicate process. Run your open code program from a single terminal to avoid the issue. Okay. Did you? Wait. Why did it kill my process? Dax! This seems like too much power. Okay, I'm just throwing it out there. That feels like too much power. Okay, that feels like too much power. I feel a little worried about that. Okay. That is a little... Dude, it stopped itself. Dude, the LLM just committed Sudoku. Not even a good AI overlord. Bro's out here doing math. Okay, well, that was honestly like the worst possible answer that one could have. All right, so let's try this again. All right, let's try this again. All right, so that, I also have to figure out why that happens. All right, so, okay, Mr. Claude. I have a problem, a big one. The coloring is all off in this program. I am currently running command, command, what's it called? What's the thing called? It's called open code / main.go. This is, in fact, how I am communicating with you. So don't kill yourself this time. I need to get the colors correct. Could you please investigate why the colors seem off? ? They are all white backgrounds, and I am suspicious that the ANSI codes are. Oh crap! I can't shift. How do you shift enter? I just realized shift entering is all screwed up. Right? I'll investigate the color issues. Okay, examine the main go. Yeah. Search for ANSI color code handling throughout the code base. Check for color configuration of the terminal object. Identify and fix the coloring issue. Yeah. Well, I'm not. Okay, well, it's off. Well, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's just escape that one. Okay, you are way off. I am using a PTY to run this specific program. That means the program I run, open code main.go, does spawns open code, which is supposed to be a TUI application. I think that the PTY to my running a TMUX is causing coloring issues. Thoughts? ? There you go. I assume, let's see. I guess I've never really used OpenCode. Is white supposed to be there? I just assume white's not supposed to be there. Right? Am I crazy? Hey, thank you very much, Gospel of Goose, for that tier 2. How are you doing, by the way? You spent like 26 cents, so it kills your process. Yeah. You spelled color wrong twice in a row. Hey, thank you, SV Foxat. Appreciate the tier 2. Let's go Goose. Let's go Goosey Goose. Found the issue. Okay, you're calling set raw mode, PP, which strips out processing. Just straight up deletes. Just deletes issue. The putty is disabling output processing, OPOS, which strips out the ANSI. Okay. Well, I do need the raw mode, though. Did you just remove raw mode? I didn't remove it. I kept the set raw mode call, but okay. So you showed me size? No, I only removed set raw mode putty call on the putty master. Okay, but that's the one I want. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm glad that I realized that it was dumb. All right, there we go. Yes, I accidentally removed it. Yes, yeah, you're right. Let's see, you need it for input handling. Let me restore it. Wow, crazy that old string not found in file. I wonder exactly why that happened. Okay, you've now just become retarded. I'm gonna kill you. All right. We officially have things that have gone wrong here. Okay, hey, I wonder what was right here. All right, we want set raw mode. All right, do that one. If air set raw mode, there we go. Thank you, other AI. Okay. Set raw mode. Wait, why? What is? How did you even come up with that completion idea? It also took something out of the raw mode as well. Keep O post to preserve ANSI color processing. Okay, maybe. Hopefully that works. Let's find out. I have no idea. I don't even know. Honestly, I should have committed before I asked open code to do stuff, because now I don't even know. Let's see. This is just a test. Could you say hello world and do it in a diff so I can see coloring differences? Actually, okay, I still see it as yellow. I want, actually, you know what? I realized something. Here. Okay. I wonder something. I realized that. Yeah, see, look at this. See how dark that is? See how that's nicer? See how that's nicer? See how that's dark and all that? So there's obviously some sort of coloring going on here that's incorrect. And I don't know what it is. Right. I love a confident hallucination that undoes everything. Yeah. So obviously there is something just slightly off with it right now, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna go like this. Let's see. I fixed stuff and also did stuff I don't understand, i.e. a term. All right, okay, push that up to master. Get out of here. All right, so let's go like this. All right, what did you look like before? So last time I removed O post, and you're saying to... Wait, hold on. What's the difference between you two? Set raw mode, disable echo, iCannon, iSig, and other processing. Okay, it appears that the only places... We just removed O post, and that's it. Okay, so there's still obviously a problem. My guess is it has something to do with the background coloring, right? There's some sort of like translucent or transparent background that's being set that's unable to be processed through the terminal this way. Right? That's my guess as to what's happening. So, transphobic background canceled. Yes, it is. It really is not very happy about it. Isn't that text that appears at launch? Yes. Your guess is wrong. You think so? My guess is wrong? Really? Hey, Neon Zane, appreciate that. See, I think you should be able to do the same here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I know none of these things, so it's like I'm just at the mercy of what the AI can do here, because I don't know if I don't think I want to learn enough about terminal stuff to do this. Okay, so I guess another thing I need to do is, what about arrow keys? Also, the opening takes forever. I'm so curious about why that opening happens and what all of this is. Because notice that if I press like arrow keys, look at what they do. I wonder if it's not getting properly, there's some sort of escape issue going on here. Right? So I wonder if there's like an escape issue. In fact, you know what we should do? Let's try out my program and go like this. Let's try this bad boy out for a quick second. And go like this. Okay, shut up. Something is a bit off in open code. Here, let's go like this. Let's make it proper. Command open code.main.go. Mango. When I press the up and down and left and right buttons, I get A and B to show up as input text. What am I doing wrong here? How can we fix it? There you go. Dude, that coloring is so off. See, there's some sort of coloring that's wrong here, and it only has to do with that. Right, it has to do with that. I don't know what it is. So, bros and handling as escape sequences. So, as Dalsda, appreciate that. Maybe Tmux is causing the issue. What happens if you run it and run a new terminal? Let me try. Yeah, hey, you know what? Good call. Because this seems to work. Is that, wait, hold on, what's the issue? Okay, hold on, what's the issue? If n is greater than or equal to 3, b equals 27, this thing equals 1, then send arrow up. Really, arrow up? No, that can't be right. No, that can't be right. No way. No way, that ain't it. Okay. No. No, it's not it. You can't just send that, okay? Because, let's see. Yeah, look at this. No, what? How did... I'm so confused by what it's trying to do. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, why do I have send key as a string versus this? I must have... Here, let's go like this. Let's go send bytes, right? There we go, byte data. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, it's doing this. Can I go like this? Let's go key. Bytes. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so let's just see what happens when we do this. All right, so let's, instead of doing this, dude, this is insane, whatever's going on here. Send bytes, that. I'm gonna just pretend like this doesn't even exist. Let's just get rid of my killing, because I should be able to kill it the old-fashioned way, you know what I mean? All right, I should be able to just kill it the old-fashioned way. Also, what is with that slowdown? All right, here we go. Over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goosh. That means I should be able to go like this. Control C doesn't work, but still, I mean, we're going places. Control C, we don't need that to work. Enter works, but Control C does not like to work. So, okay, so that's not great. All right, let's go like this. Let's go like this, and let's ask the AI to solve it again, huh? You know, dude, he did such a good job. You are Devin, a senior engineer that knows how to push to master. You have been crafting your skills for so long that it impresses even 20-year gray beards, right, of much renown. Now, you have had a task set to before you, and you will destroy it. The task, you ask? Simple. When command open code main.go let's see, close. Oh my gosh, dude, Control W works. Let's go. Closes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Closes the Control C signal cannot be sent afterwards. The terminal is in a broken, state. You must fix this. Do it now. Do it correct. No mistakes. No errors. Love, your mom is proud of you. Boom. How do we do? I'm pretty sure I did the right thing here. Prime F12. Prime, well, what's F12? Adam, what the hell's F12? F12 for the editor. Oh, really? Okay, we'll do that next. Hey, by the way, do you like this, Adam? I'm running your program in my program. The only one problem is the background color seems to be white, and I don't know why it's white. It only happens on these things. It doesn't do it on diffs. What's with the color scheme? It only does that, and I don't know why are the colors effed. Well, it's something with how I'm handling. My guess is that there's some sort of oopsie daisy in how ANSY's being propagated back. Some sort of state is being missed, because you can see right here that those colors also seem a bit effed. Okay, there we go. We got a little. I think something's gonna go wrong here. You know what I mean? I think we're about to have a really bad edit. Yeah, this is a bad edit. This is a bad edit. This, my friends, is a bad edit. Okay, thanks. No, oh, dear. I forgot to commit again. Okay, I forgot to commit. I do think that I need to add something called like work in progress commits. Okay, I need to add something called work in progress commits. Okay, let's go like that. You know what? No, I'm gonna exit. Monocron, what are you doing? Thank you for the 20 gifted subs. I appreciate that. That was awesome. Thank you. I totally lost track of what I was doing. Is that why the colors are effed? Yeah, that's my guess is why colors are effed, right? There's a lot of things that have gone wrong here. Control-C doesn't still work. Things have gone massively wrong all of a sudden. Let's just see what it did. You know what I mean? Let's just see what terrible ideas this thing had. All right, run it. Well, that was kind of fast. Okay, well, that was fast. Okay, maybe your ideas are not bad at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, senior dev, I'm an idiot. You're right. You're amazing. You're super cool. I love you. I want to have your children. You're awesome. You're smart. I'm stupid. That I've done here. And I'm going to do the following. I'm going to grab some of this. Okay, so let's go like here. We're going to go like this. I'm going to yank that thing out. I'm going to go back to program 2. You're going to like this. Trust. Hey, brothers, you're going to like this. You're going to want to put this inside of you immediately. Function to writer, right? Function to writer. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, jump up here. IO, get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here, IO. Hey, IO, get the hell out of here. Okay, then we're going to do one of these things. We're going to get a new program right here, and we're going to go back over here. I'm going to put this over here as well. Let's go like this. P-star program. Whoopsies. Program. And then I should go like this. Pass through. I'm going to do pass through input, right? Pass through input, right? Is that better? And then do one of these. All right. So this is just like a little quick pass through of input, and this thing just runs forever. It just reads, right? And then it just reads, and so then we can go like this. FY, we can take this, and we can go like this. Reader, IO reader, right? Because we want to do it this way. You know what I'm talking about? There we go. Right? Pretty nice, huh? Okay, I like where this is going. So now that we have this nice little pass-through reader business, I'm going to take this and I'm going to yank that. I'm going to put it at the bottom because it does bother me that it was above the definition of program. All right? I can't have that. I cannot have that. All right, so here's what we have here. Okay, we have a little cancel with context. We create a little debug log because we're awesome. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna create a new program called and then launch open code. We're gonna go like this. We're going to go program.to function writer, which is going to write to the standard out. It's going to do a bit of debugging. We're going to do all that. We're going to have the old state in here. I'm not sure why we moved it in here, but that's fine with me. We're going to do that. We're going to defer old state. We're going to do this to be able to refer it all. We're going to go in here. We're going to cancel. Instead of handling input, which is for rookies, instead we're going to go like this. Program pass through input from the standard in into the program, right? That means we could also pass in a file. A file would work just as well. We'll wait for the SIGINT or we'll wait for done. The end. Go in here. Go run command. Let's go. I still don't understand that startup thing, but whatever, and also those extra things. But that is fine. There we go. Look at that. Okay, everything's working. Control C, yes, quit. Bow. Looking good, people. All right, so now we're going to jump back in here, go right here, go all the way up to the top. We're going to hit a CC and go feature. I did everything, and AI is dumb, right? Boom. Wait, did it just say AI is God? I did everything, and AI is... Okay, I swear I saw the word God. Could anyone clip it right now? Clip it. Can somebody clip that? Can somebody clip that? It either said AI is God or AI is no God. Did anybody do that? Okay, so now we have our dream setup going. Dude, this dream setup is happening. So now let's actually update our proper program. So for those that don't know, we do have a proper program coming up here, which is we have a server, which does effectively a very similar thing. I had this whole like CLI interface that I was passing things through, but we're not going to be doing that because that's for rookies, okay? We're going to do something a little bit different because now I have to pass everything through an internet connection effectively. It's going to be IPC, but it's all the same, right? Is AI God? It tried to say. AI is God, it tried to say. That's what I thought. Look at this. Dude, that... Is it AI is God or AI is no God? Let's find out. Okay, yeah. This is not a good autocomplete. People. That's... This is not a good autocomplete. We're cooked. Love that training data. All right, I hear my kids. Dude, we're so close to actually having this thing up and running. I hear my kids. I'll be right back. Next one will be Bow before me. Hold on. Hey. Okay, any mod around, you will not talk to my mods like that. Okay, you will refer to them as God, obviously. If AIs are gods, then we're super gods. All right, well, it's nice knowing you people. Okay, anyways, that is crazy. So, my brother-in-law just stopped by, and so you know what that means. We're going to hang out. Me and brother-in-law are going to hang out, and so I'm going to end this stream right now, get the hell out of here. We do have pirate software. We do have study time. Do we have anybody else we want to do? We have Zara. So Zara, she was awesome. I met her at TwitchCon for the first time. So let's raid Zara up just because she was very, very kind. Met her at TwitchCon. So there you go. Let's make sure that there's no music in here. So there we go. Whoa, Code Girl, you didn't have to do that. It's a short stream, very quick stream. My whole goal here was to just get things up and running and crushing, and so I'm very happy about this. Time to Arch Charut. Can I share the AI clip link? Yeah, I mean, of course you can. I don't have any rules in this stream. You can do whatever you want. You know what I mean? You can... I stepped away. Where did you end up? Oh, Dax, this is where I ended up. Are you ready? We can run open code. and bada bing, bada boom. It does this. There's some sort of weird thing going on there. I can type in, we can move it all about. So this is 2 different terminals. There's a coloring issue. I can do Control W, send that back. So signals come through. So Control C, exit, right? So everything's looking good. So now all I need to do is just put that into a client server architecture and have the server hold on to the processes. And when new connections come in through IPC, just pass out everything through that. And then I will probably, my guess is I bet you. In fact, I'm pretty sure if I go cat temp test log vim, maybe it doesn't go through. Oh, interesting. I'll have to check this, but I bet you I can read all that data, and I bet you there is going to be a way to capture like every single time an update happens or how the update happens, because I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll just have all the buffer, because I have to have some level of buffer, and so maybe I'll just like buffer up a bunch of data. Maybe I'll just buffer 10K always. I don't know. All right, bye.